So you're interested in entering the next chapter of your engineering career, but the mind-boggling question is, how do I get to that next chapter? Hello, my name is Ezekiel York. I am currently finishing my MSc in Manufacturing Engineering and Management at the University of the West Indies. This program has definitely benefited me in understanding the critical paths and solutions that I need to use and take with my team to ensure that many of the maintenance and servicing tasks are done in an efficient and effective manner. The opportunities that I've received while doing and on the verge of finishing this MSc program has arguably been greater than the opportunities that were present right after finishing my BSc in Mechanical Engineering. You know, one example that I continue to have is the opportunity to be recognized in a positive way. I've had many tasks that were simultaneously given to me from many different personnel that were not always related, but because of my knowledge from doing the courses in this program, I've been able to effectively do these tasks, finish these tasks, and as a result, it makes my bosses pleased. And in a positive way, they will continue to remember you for that. They continue to recognize the skills that I use, that I've learned from this program to ensure that the tasks and jobs that I get are done in a timely manner. So apply now. Take this opportunity as it is available to you. And if you have any questions or are interested in applications, feel free to contact the Department of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering via the associated links available on their webpage. Thanks for viewing and all the best with your application.